What's up, everybody? The fall market has started with another rate cut, and all signs are now pointing to two more cuts coming before the end of the year. So, what does this all mean for Victoria home prices and sales going forward? In this market update, I'm going to break down what I'm seeing out there day to day, which may give us some clues on where things could be headed. So, it's no secret that the downtown condo market has been on life support these last few months. Take a building like 989 Johnson Street, for example. I'm personally a big fan of this building. It's concrete and steel, has some really thoughtful layouts and solid interiors, and some great views as well. But a month ago, during the summer, there were 16 units for sale at once here, all just sitting on the market with not much action at all. Now, looking in the last week or so, 4 units have sold. This is only one building, but I'm seeing similar patterns of offers, or at least more showings and more activity, returning to the market for condos downtown. And I think this might be a sign that maybe we've hit the bottom of condo prices, which is absolutely crucial for us to return to a more balanced market. Movement in the condo segment allows these condo sellers to maybe upgrade to a townhome or a detached home and climb up that property ladder, and which in turn opens up more opportunities and movement for other sellers as well. We want lots of sales. We want people to be able to buy and sell and upgrade or downsize, whatever they want to do. We want lots of activity, and we really need condos to be selling for that to happen. Another anecdotal sign to share with you is just how weak the presale market is. In my inbox every day, I see lots of developer and presale incentives. They're offering things such as strata fees paid for the year, low 5% deposits. Again, this could change though. If buyers get confidence that interest rates will trend down for the next 1 to 2 years when these pre-sales are complete, then developments will sell. People just got really spooked, and rightfully so, back in 2022 when they got caught with these crazy rising interest rates and they already had accepted offers on their pre-sales. Pricing on these developments hasn't really moved much though. For example, there's a few new townhomes in the core in Saanich and nothing under $900,000 plus GST, but most are over $1 million. In my opinion, unless you have to have brand new, the resale market is priced much more competitively right now, but again, that could change. Looking at detached homes, it's a mixed bag, but pretty slow overall. Overpriced homes, investment units, they're all very slow. And when they eventually do sell, there seems to be a lot of renegotiation after the inspection. Lots of budget conscious buyers are out there right now. There's some good deals to be had. Someone picked up a nice 80s house near Mount Tomey for $975K. Another one out by the Gorge going for $925K in multiple offers. The one going for over ask, that was an exception, and pretty rare to see anything go over asking price these days. Buyers just don't seem to have any appetite for competition right now. So I suggest, why not try a lower offer even on the first few days of a listing and see what happens, feel out the seller. And if nothing else, maybe that you deter other buyers from jumping in. So leave your offer open maybe 48 hours if it's pretty low and see what happens. Doesn't hurt to try. Looking at new listings, I think all us realtors were expecting maybe and hoping for a big rush this first week of September. And we got some new stock, over 300 new listings this week, but nothing too crazy. 100 pending sales and also 100 price drops. Price drops to me are really telling of market conditions. Just browsing a few homes, for example, I can see this detached home drop their price after only 10 days. It shows me a couple things. First, the seller is very motivated. And second, they probably didn't get many showings, or maybe they had 0 showings on the home. If you want to sell your home in a timely manner in this market, you just cannot overprice it. 3,500 rental starts completing this year and next, according to Leo at House on Victoria, which represents a 5% increase in our rental stock. That's significant, and maybe it means rental prices will stabilize or come down as well. I don't think rental prices will come down. A 1-bedroom in Victoria goes for $2,100 and a 2-bedroom at $2,800. For 3-bedroom or detached home, there isn't much under $35,000 to $4,000 minimum. And I don't see even this new rental stock bringing prices down much. Regardless of what home prices do with the interest rate cuts, I think rents will remain high. If you look at who's building these new rental towers and developments throughout Victoria, they're big companies with deep pockets, and they can afford to sit on these units for as long as they want without lowering the rents. And if you look at landlords or small investors, when they plug in a lower rent on their spreadsheet and run the numbers, their strata fees have gone up, their insurance costs have gone up, maintenance costs have gone up, Property taxes have gone up in a big way. Everything's gone up. So there's really not much room to bring down rental prices. And a lot of landlords and a lot of investors aren't making big bucks. They're actually still probably losing money or hoping to be break even at best. So for these reasons, I don't think rental prices will come down much at all, but maybe they'll stabilize for now. The bottom line is I think home prices have become more stable, hopefully condo prices as well. And with the expectation of more cuts coming, I don't think it's a bad idea to jump into the market if you have been waiting. But it really depends on the property and your individual needs and financial situation. But certainly, we're heading into an environment of low rates for the foreseeable future. So we'll see if that is enough to push prices up, or with the slowing job market and the other factors of the economy and the high cost of living, high cost of construction, maybe buyers are still struggling and maybe they just can't get into the market if they want to. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment below with what you're experiencing out there in Victoria's real estate market, and I'll see you next time.